Hello everyone, this is Peter with GoodieReader.com, and today we have the Zenfone 5Q. This is the latest and greatest from Asus, or Asus, we'll just say Asus. And here's some specs on the back. You can just pause the video at any time if you want to read those. So dual SIM, LTE 6.0, FHD plus display. What do we got here? It comes with a headset and a bumper in the box, which is really cool. They always give you a case, basically. This is a used model because it is sent around to all the media outlets for review, so it will look a little bit like, you know, used and whatnot, because, well, it's used. But this is what you are to expect in the full retail packaging. You get the SIM removal tool, you get all the documentation, and you get the bumper right there. It's just a silicone bumper. And the phone itself we're just going to put off to the side and show you in a sec, because I always like exploring the rest of the box first. So you get the USB micro. They have done away with the USB-C on older generation phones like the Zoom 3. They have the headphones, earpieces, and the USB wall charger. So there's an adapter inside there. That's all that comes in the box. Let's check out the phone. Here is the phone. There I am. Hello. You see me there? You can see right here, it's very raised glass on both sides, which is basically why you need a bumper. So if you see right there, there's a thick piece of 1mm glass on either side of the aluminum I don't even know what you call the middle part of it. I guess the bezel? I'm not really sure. This thing is super exposed. So if you drop it on any corner, it's just glass, 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 glass. There's glass everywhere. Even as you're holding it on the side, your finger meat kind of puffs over and you get a really good indication that there's very thick glass on both sides of these. You get dual speakers at the bottom with a micro USB. Nothing on the side except for the SIM card tray. You know what? Let's open it up because Asus does this thing sometimes where they have dual SIM, but it isn't really dual SIM because it's dual SIM or an SD card slot and a SIM card, so we'll have to see. This one is indeed dual SIM with an SD card. You'd put SIM 1 and SIM 2 there, and then there's the SD card right there, so you can fit them all in the same tray. Let's just slide that on back. Don't break it. All right, the other side has power and volume up and down. The top has a 3.5mm headphone jack and a microphone. And the back has dual camera with, what does it say on there? 120 degrees wide angle. That's pretty impressive. Two-tone flash. You have a cool LED and a warm LED, fingerprint sensor, and a lot of glass on the back. And there I am again. So this thing is very fragile feeling. Oh, you get two cameras up front with a light sensor, a front flash. Oh, that's important to note. A front flash and an earpiece. This thing looks very fragile the way it's sitting without a bumper. If you look at other phones, for example, I have my trusty Zoom. Here you have the glass at the front and the aluminum build all around, including the back. But this one's just pure glass, so that puts me a little uneasy, and it's not exactly flush. It juts out. So you guys will have to see a full review or our thoughts on this in the future. But for now, it's just kind of a little extended unboxing video here for the what did I say this was? The Zenfone 5Q. So if you guys have any other questions, comments, or concerns, or anything else you want to see on this device, let us know. For GoodieReader.com, this is Peter.